The PS5 is a great revolutionary console, with major celebrities already endorsing it. There are some great games coming out. In this video, we'll be diving deeper into the unusual things that you may not have known about the PS5. The PS5 launched with two versions, a purely digital version, retailing it at $399 or £349, and one with a disc drive at $499 or £449 in the UK. The PS5 is 99% compatible with all your PS4 games, but the sad news is, if you have a PS4 with physical games, you will need the PS5 with a disc drive in order to play your old PS4 games on your shiny new PS5. However, some digital games will transfer over, as long as you use the same PlayStation Network ID. You can personalize your experience through presets. You can preset difficulties for games in the games that support this feature, before you even start them. The modes range from easiest, easy, normal, hard, and hardest. The PS5 won't judge you if you pick the easiest setting, it will just quietly remember it. The PS5 can even warn you about in-game spoilers before they even pop up on the screen. At launch, a lot of games will allow you to personalize your experience through the inclusion of free upgrades for your PS4 titles to make them run smoother. Noticeable titles include Assassins Creed Vahalia, Borderlands 3, Marvel's Spiderman, Miles Morales, and The Witcher 3, just to name a few. The upgrades can range from enhanced load times to increased frame rates to higher quality visuals and higher resolution textures. Some game developers might even add in some personalization features. However, it depends on the developers to make sure this happens. Some games do make you pay for the privilege of this upgrade, noticeably Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, which charges $10 or £10 to get the same graphical upgrades. Speaking of customization, you can even personalize the faceplates of the console if you wish to match your living room decor by just pulling off the faceplates on your PS5 console. Anyone a fan of the Spiderman one? Moving on to point number 3, the PlayStation 5 now offers this thing called activity cards, which combined with the speedy power of the PS5 solid state memory makes it extremely easy to hop straight into different parts of the game. This lets you break your game into chunks. You can hover over a game's icon on the home screen and get straight into a specific stage, match, location, or your favorite moment with minimal loading. I would probably use it if I wanted to collect a trophy that I missed. Let me know if you would do the same. Moving on to point number 4, the PS5 has a recording, sharing, and broadcasting feature, just like that which was on the PS4, with physical buttons on your controller to take a screenshot or to start video recording. This can be done at either 4K or 1080p, and you can even upload this straight to Twitch and YouTube if you really wanted to. You can do this to share your best gaming moments with your friends and family. The PlayStation 5 is always recording the last 15 minutes of gameplay, so you can be sure that you won't miss capturing an epic moment. The PS5 can display up to 120 frames per second in your favorite games, so you can enjoy buttery smooth performance. It also won't strain your eyes as much. You'll need a 120Hz monitor to see the difference though. These frames will make hitting your enemy in competitive first-person shooters much easier, as there is much more information on the screen to react to per second. Moving on to point number 5. You may not know this, but the PS5 controller has a built-in microphone. This is a public service announcement. The DualSense controller microphone is on by default in multiplayer. To turn it off, press the physical mute button for ease of use, and a confirmation of this will pop up on your screen. This will allow you to trash talk about your mates behind their backs, or talk to someone in the same room without letting the people on your game chat be able to hear. If you press it again, the mic will be unmuted, and holding it down mutes all sound from the PS5 itself, regardless of the sound source, be it the TV, a headset, or the controller. Just because you stuck around this far, here's an extra one. Number 6. Unlike the PS4, the PS5 is whisper quiet and additionally comes with a built-in stand, no extra purchase required. So this time it's up to you if you wish to keep your console horizontal or vertical in your living room. If you decide to have it vertically, just clip the stand on the side of the PS5 and slip the screw into the hidden slot so you don't lose it. It's like Sony thought of everything. Hope you enjoyed that rundown. Till we meet again, goodbye.